Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar is now available for purchase. If you are interested in purchasing the 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar, I do have links in the description box below. This is the third year that Spellbinders has released an Advent Calendar, and it has been super popular. By the time December rolls around, it will not be available. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. I'll add links to a variety of different shops that will be carrying the Advent Calendar. Some of them will be coming soon, others are available now. Hopefully, since this is the third year of releasing an Advent Calendar, Spellbinders ordered a bunch. Now, I'm not showing any of the product today, so you don't have to worry about me accidentally sneak peeking anything. I'm only showing the packaging, the front and the back, and I will open up the inside, but I'm not opening any of the little boxes and revealing the goodies. On the back side of the box, there are a few sneak peeks. And if it's like previous Advent calendars, those products will be inside. So here's a look at the inside. You can see all the different boxes are numbered. So on December 1st, you'll find number 1. There's a tiny little tab. You'll just sort of poke your finger in, and then there's the perforated window, so you'll peel back that opening. And last year, whenever there was a die set, I like that on the inside of the window, it pictured what the die would create. So there was a turtle last year. And sometimes it's confusing when you just see the little pieces, all those dies, what you're creating. So I love that they included a picture, and I'm guessing it'll be the same this year. The boxes contain a variety of different crafty items, dies, stencils, stamps, embossing folders, and embellishments. And the last 2 years, there were more die sets than anything else, which I really enjoy. One thing that's really nice about the Advent Calendar, at least for the last 2 years, the products are not Christmas themed. So these are items that you'll be able to use year-round. It's almost August, so we still have several months before we start opening up all of the boxes. Last year, I did a video every single day. It was a full card process video. I had 24 videos plus a recap video at the end. It was a lot of work, but I really had fun with it. I haven't decided what I'm doing this year. What would you like to see? I could just do a video opening the box and then showing a project. Maybe I'll open up the boxes and do one project a week. Or if you're committed to watching, I could do a card process video every single day. So in December, I would have 24 videos, and that's on top of my regular design team projects. So it would be a lot of video sharing in December. Let me know what you think. As I mentioned, I still haven't made the decision. But since I do have it now in August, I could get started early, but I wouldn't start sharing the videos until December 1st. If you don't want any sneak peeks of the products that are in the Advent Calendar, just be careful what videos you watch on YouTube. Some people like to open up the entire Advent Calendar, which is fine if you purchased it. And I think most of those crafters give a good warning, so you do have time to stop the video if you don't want any reveals. But some people like to keep it a surprise, that way they can enjoy their Advent in December. So if you are interested in the Crafty Advent Calendar, I do have links in the description box, and I can't wait to start opening the boxes to see the fun goodies inside. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.